These fireworks lighting up the city symbolize hope, unity, and the fighting spirit of the Filipino people, a reminder of courage and compassion, values that reflect the enduring legacy of Fernando Poe Jr. The FPJ legacy continues to inspire through moments that bring light, strength, and pride to the nation.
This fireworks display over the city captures a quiet pause in the middle of life's journey. From a high vantage point, the city lights and fireworks remind us that every step, struggle, and success is part of a greater path on your FPJ Legacy channel. We share reflections, travel moments, and real-life experiences that inspire growth and gratitude. Keep moving forward. Your legacy matters. A greetings of peace and blessings from your FPJ Legacy channel. Happy New Year!